Hey, it's Dirk with DNP Home Inspection Home Watch Services. Check this out. When I'm up on a roof, I'm checking where water's going to go. It's going to go down this way. It's going to go across this way. Going to go down this roof right here into that valley along with this roof. And where's that valley at? It's going right here towards the wall. Why do they do this? It just blows my mind. It is compromised right there. All that water, all the blue lines. Check that out. Now, I'm up on another roof, right? Checking out the roof. And I look at these vents here that go over the roof. Now, when you're looking at it, they're overlapping the vent covers. Why would you do that? It's uplift force that can happen with winds. And then when I'm looking at the drip edge, you should have those shingles actually overlapping the drip edge. I mean, come on, people. Do your job.